Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome, and welcome back to another episode in my series, Palette of the Week. This week's palette is going to be the Urban Decay Born to Run, and it is a few years old now, and I don't really play with it that much anymore, so I wanted to pull it out and show it some love. And I had so much fun doing that palette bingo like a month or two ago that I wanted to do another one. So that's what we're doing, a palette bingo with this palette right here, the Urban Decay Born to Run. First, let's count how many shades there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3 is 21 shades. Okay, so pick a random number between 1 and 21. The first number is 19. And if you don't know what a palette bingo is, you have to pick 5 shadows, just like B-I-N-G-O, to create a look with, and they're picked by a number randomizer. So first one is 19, and 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the first one is Drift, which I'll show you a swatch of in just a second. It's this really pretty charcoal gray shimmer. I'm really interested to see the other colors that I'm going to be pairing with that one. Pick a number between 1 and 21. So number 6. And that would be Riff, which is a matte brown, which should be a really good transition color. I'm really glad I got that one. So let's pick again. 16. So that would be Punk, a deeper matte brown, perfect for deepening up the outer corner. And that's what we've got so far with Drift, Riff, and Punk. 2 more. Let's hope for some color. 8. Ooh, okay, there's some color. Another matte, Hellride, and this is the matte, like, purple. So that'll be fun to throw in there. It's a really pretty matte purple. One more, please be another shimmer. 16, I thought we already had 16. Yeah, we did already have 16. Let's pick again. So 9, number 9 is Baja, an orangey brown matte. So we have all of these mattes and one dark gray shimmer. Oh, that'll be interesting. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but let me just get my mirror over here and get my brushes closer, and we'll figure this out. So I think obviously I want to take Riff, that light brown, in my transition area. That's a good place to start, I feel like. I don't think I've ever used like so many neutral mattes in a look before without doing an all matte look. Like, to have one shimmer, that's so weird to me. This will be quite interesting. Okay. Okay, I think I want to take on a more detailed brush, if I can find one. the orange shade, which is Baja. And I just want to focus that in the crease. So that is a solid base. All right, I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I am going to take Punk, the dark brown, and I'm going to pop that on the inner and outer corners. Do a halo eye. This is a bad brush for that. Let me get another brush. This cleaned on my pants. Let's do that better. So inner and outer corner with the dark brown Punk. I'm gonna take Baja on a tiny blending brush and blend the edges of Punk out. Then take a little Riff and blend the edges of Baja out. All right, now it's time for the shimmer, Drift. I'm gonna take that on my ring finger and just pop that in the center. And we're gonna make myself look like a rock star. Okay, I think to balance this out, I need some glitter. So let's go into my magical drawer of glitter. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, I think I want to take another Urban Decay product to kind of stick with the Urban Decay theme, and I'm going to take two of the glitters, which are going to be Glam Rock and Distortion, and just sort of layer those over top to give a little extra something something. I don't know if that helps. I don't know. We'll see. This might be a fail. These are weird colors that I normally wouldn't pair together though, so there's that. Then on the lower lash line, I'm going to take obviously the purple shade, but with a purple liner to really bring it out. This is the Shockwave Vivid from LA Girl. Alright, so now I'm going to take Hell Ride, which is this purple shade, on a flat definer brush and put it right under that liner. Ah, I look crazy. Oh boy. Maybe some more blending? Blend, soften, blend, blend. Can we save it? Yeah, that's what we're working with. And then I'm just going to take the glitter distortion on the inner corner as well. And a little bit down into the purple color. And you know what, just for the heck of it, I'm going to take the silver Glam Rock as well. Glitter is a perfectly acceptable inner corner highlight. Don't let anybody tell you different. They can come talk to me, because I will accept that. I don't know. I kind of want a little more pigment on my inner corner though. But none of these shades work as an inner corner color. But I'm just going to go into an extra shade in the palette. Breakaway, which is like the light shimmer, just to have some pigment on the inner corner because it looks too dark and I want to brighten it up. It's too dark. Don't worry, the glitter will still be there. There'll still be plenty of glitter, but it just looks too dark. Ugh, I hate this. Okay, I don't feel like doing lashes for such a hideous look, so I'm just gonna put on mascara. And lately I have been obsessed with this Grande Conditioning Peptide Mascara. I really think it's super lengthening and separating, and it doesn't like flake or smudge or anything. I really enjoy it, and I do have a code down below if you're interested. God, this is the worst look I've done in a long time. These colors, these are bad colors. How do you make orange and gray and brown go together when you have mediocre skills and you can't remember color theory from art class in the 12th grade? Or was it the 11th grade? I don't know. That was a long time ago. Regardless of what grade it was, that was a long time ago. I still want to do more blending, like right here. Okay, well, that was not fun this time. I'm just kidding. It was still fun. I still had fun hanging out with you guys. Let me know what you think of this hot mess express of a look. Is it something you would wear? Or do you agree with me and 10 out of 10 will not wear again? I like this eye more than this eye, and I really like the lower lash line. I think that purple blended out really beautiful into the orange in the outer corner out here. I just think if I had gotten any other shimmer but the gray, like there are so many other shimmer options, why did I have to get the dark gray? I don't know, man. I guess it's okay. Yeah, so what do you think? And what palette should I do for palette of the week next week? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!